How you gonna hate from outside the club? You can't even get in. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome. Today I'm gonna share with you how I got this look and also talk about something I'm really excited about and can't wait to share with you. So while we ramble, we're gonna do some makeup and get purdy. Let's go. Starting out with a fresh face. I'm going to use my Laneige Essential Power Moisturizer to moisturize my face before we put on some makeup. That time of the month has come and it loves to give me just like a little gift, letting me know it's arrived. Yep, because I've been using my good skincare. It's already going away and it's only been a day, so that's good. We're gonna start with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer first, and then I'm gonna go in with my Hollywood Flawless Filter as my foundation. I feel a bit scattered making this video because I just applied for the 2022 Sephora Squad. I'll tell you all about it. I realized I didn't even talk about this the last time I applied for it last year. I didn't speak about it at all on YouTube, which I don't know why. I just didn't. But anyway, I just applied and I let you guys know about it on Instagram, and the amount of messages that I'm getting is like overwhelming, and I'm emotional already because I'm on my period, so I like just want to like cry just like reading your messages. I sound so dumb. So Sephora Squad, if you follow Sephora and you know Sephora, you know exactly what it is, but if you don't, I'll explain it to you. So Sephora, the store, all things beauty store that you see in the malls and online, they have a program that they put out to influencers and content creators, YouTubers, etc. And if you get accepted to this program, you receive professional training and coaching on how to further your beauty career. They put you in connection with different beauty brands and different agencies and companies. And then on top of it, you get a 1-year partnership with Sephora to sponsor you. So that's a big deal. It's massive. I would love to be part of this program because I feel like I would be able to learn so much, and I'd be able to use what I learn and bring it into what I already give you guys. And I want to find a way to make what I do here even better so that I can have more success in it. I want to be able to try more things. I want to be able to be in connection with different brands and different things to really be a true resource for you. I literally buy everything from Sephora. So it sounds like a dream, and honestly, it might just be a dream, but we'll see. I submitted my application today and I went ahead and I posted it. Let me do my makeup. I literally cannot talk and do makeup. Why? I applied, and what would give me a higher chance at becoming a part of the program is if I have enough testimonials from you guys that pretty much recommend me to be part of the program. If you'd like to help, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description box here if you'd like to give me a testimonial as to why you think that I would be good for such a program. It doesn't even have to be long or drawn out. It can just be like a small sentence, like just saying like, I like her videos, and that's it, and that's fine, and you don't have to pay any money. You just put in your email and that's it, and you submit it. And I can't see what you say about me, so if you'd like me to see what you've said, then send me a screenshot or send me a message with what you said if you'd like to. I think they give you the ability to like send a screenshot of what you said. They email you your response, I'm pretty sure. Any little bit helps, and I will be greatly appreciative if you could help me out with that. I know a lot of you already have, so I'm super grateful. You don't even know. It's like, it means a lot. I applied last year in the Sephora Squad 2021. It's my first time applying, and I was like, man, I should get in. I'll be able to get in. I was like really confident, and I don't know why. You guys were amazing. I got several recommendations or testimonials. I got several testimonials, and I only had a small following at the time. I didn't even have over 10,000 followers or something like that. And I got like a tremendous amount of testimonials. You guys are amazing, and I just was like overwhelmed. I still have all the messages saved, and every time I'm having like a bad day or something, when it comes to like creating, I'll go ahead and look at those comments that you guys sent me. It brightens my day, so don't think that I forget about them. I applied last year, and goodness gracious, it takes so long for them to tell you if you make it or not, and that just, the anticipation is just like, I didn't get any emails, so I was like, oh, guess I'm not gonna be in it. And you know what I can honestly say? I think I didn't make it in because I refused to niche down. At the time that I had applied, I had a couple viral videos on Instagram. It was just kind of all over the place. I had no niche. I had no visible niche. And I feel like that hurt me. Why would someone look at my account and want to help me professionally when I can't even figure out what I want to do, you know? So I think that was probably the biggest thing that was working against me. I was dabbling into beauty, but not going fully into it. I feel like now I have a little bit better of a chance, but at the same time, I might not be deeply rooted enough in beauty, and I'm trying to make that changeover. I've realized in the past couple months that my whole problem with content creation and consistency has been my lack of picking a niche and sticking to it. And I want to talk more about that in another video, because like I feel like talking about it all in this video is just too much. Honestly, I felt so defeated when I found out that I didn't make it in. I had all my friends work so hard to help me, and I feel like it did nothing. It was for nothing. Then I had to think about it, and I'm like, wait a second, that's stupid to think of, because seeing the comments that I got and all the testimonials and being able to, you know, look at it myself, it was so inspiring to me to help me keep going in what I was doing. And so that made it all the worthwhile, and it will make it all the worthwhile this time, even if I don't get in. Just to know how you guys feel about me and how you feel about my content is so inspiring and just incredible. After I didn't get in, and I found out that I didn't get in, and then I looked at all the people that did get in, I looked and I was like, oh, I think it's rigged. And I think I was just being petty because I didn't get in. How are you gonna hate from outside the club? You can't even get in. I got an email asking if I wanted to apply again. And I kind of just ignored it because I was like, and then I was like, why am I being like this? I need to just do it. I just need to suck it up. Like, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Like, what if I don't try it again? And then I'll never know. So I decided to apply again. So let's get back to the makeup, because that's what you guys came here for. I just put on the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin concealer, and then I took my Sephora brush, my 64 Sephora brush, and blended that out. I'm gonna take some off the edge of the container and put it on the back of my hand a little bit to even it out, and I'm going to go underneath my eyebrow to kind of sharpen this situation. If you want an in-depth brow tutorial, I'll link it, probably already linked it, but I'll link it below for you guys to see, because I did my whole brows in the last video that I put up for you, and how I shape them and then how I style them. We're getting oily vibes today. I feel very oily today for some reason. So I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match powder foundation, and I'm going to kind of blot out the areas that I feel are really oily for me right now. So yeah, so much to be excited for. Oh, sorry. I'm taking the NARS Laguna bronzer, and I'm just putting it in the creases of my eyelids just to give me a little bronzed eye look. Then I'm gonna take my Makeup by Mario Glam Quad Bronzy Glam palette, and I'm gonna use the brown in here. I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath my eye and give a smoked out effect. I've been loving doing this to my makeup. It just, I don't know why, it just does something to my eyes. I feel like it allows the color in my eyes to pop. I have brown eyes, but like this shade of brown helps them pop. Pretty, I like that. Now let's go ahead and add the mascara. L'Oreal Telescopic, baby, you know, you know. I'm really excited to see more testimonials. I think we're at 50 now. I just got a notification, 50 testimonials, which is like all I can think about right now, because it's just like, It's so riveting. You know, I work hard. I work hard for what I do, and I love what I do, and to know that other people love what I do as well and are inspired, like, that's the whole reason why I'm here, and it just makes me so happy. And like I said, even if I don't get into this Sephora program, just having the testimonials by themselves is enough for me, truly. But we shall see, and I will let you know what happens. I will not leave you hanging. If I don't get in, I should celebrate. And if I do get in, I should celebrate. So let me know what your recommendations are. If I do get in, what I should do to celebrate. And then if I don't get in, what I should do to celebrate. I have a couple of ideas. I got a random crooked eyelash on here. I don't know what's going on. She's like curling in a strange way, and I've never had that happen before. What in the world? I'm gonna do bronzer. I'm gonna use the Laguna from NARS and bring some color. I'm gonna do a light contour on the nose, just a really light contour. I'm taking my blending brush from MAC. I believe this is the 224 MAC brush that I use for the creases of my eyelids. I just go ahead and use that. Sorry, I'll stop being weird. Blend that out with an e.l.f. Stiffle brush. I need to do a step-by-step tutorial one day. One day. I'm gonna use the Like Me, Love Me blush from MAC. This blush is so hard to open. It's like such an easy way to open, but it's too simple that it's complicated. It drives me nuts opening up that. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. I'm gonna focus that up here, a little bit on my nose. I'm gonna put some of the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Palermo. Then I'm going to go on top with the Coralie stuff from Benefit. This is it's like a lip gloss. I need some kind of hydration. We'll see how this mixes. It could be terrible, or it could be great. Ooh! Oh! Ah! So let me take this blush that I used on my face, try to open it. There it goes. And I'm gonna lightly pack my lips with it and see what happens. It's like a very natural vibe. I like it a lot. Can you guess that movie reference? Probably not the most conventional way to do your lipstick, all that I did, but if you want to get creative. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite highlighter from Natasha Denona, the Bronze and Glow. There you have it. There you have it. Oh my gosh, that is a big lizard. No! Why is he dancing? So that is all that I have for you today. You came along with me as I rambled on about making it into the Sephora Squad, and you saw me kind of do a tutorial with makeup. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos. I know they're kind of chaotic, but if you like that sort of thing, then please let me know, because I had fun filming it. If I don't update you here on YouTube, stay tuned on my Instagram account for any updates regarding the Sephora Squad application this year and see what happens. I'm really excited and I can't wait to share it with you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if not helpful, then at least entertaining. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!